If you're getting the Blender error, selected edges or faces required, don't worry, this is usually a very quick fix. In this video, I'll show you exactly why it happens and how to solve it, especially if the Bisect tool is giving you trouble. This is one of those Blender issues that can feel confusing at first, but once you know what to check, it becomes really easy to fix. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Blender tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's understand the main cause. This error usually appears when Blender does not detect any edges or faces selected, or when you're trying to use the Bisect tool while not fully in edit mode. So the first thing you want to check is your mode. Look at the top left corner of Blender and make sure you are in edit mode, not object mode. If you are in object mode, the Bisect tool won't work the way you expect because Blender needs editable geometry selected. To switch modes, select your object, then press tab to enter edit mode. Once you're in edit mode, look at your model carefully. You need to make sure the geometry you want to work on is actually selected. A lot of the time, the issue is simply that nothing is highlighted in orange, which means Blender has no active selection to work with. To fix that, press A on your keyboard. This will select all geometry in the object. If you only need part of the mesh, make sure the specific edges or faces you want are highlighted in orange before using the tool. If they are not selected, Blender may show the selected edges or faces required message because it has nothing to cut through. Now, if you are specifically using the Bisect tool, make sure you are using it after selecting the mesh in edit mode. The Bisect tool needs editable geometry, so if you try to run it while the object is still in object mode, it can fail or show that error. Once your geometry is selected, go to the toolbar or use the search menu to activate Bisect. You should now be able to drag the cut line across the model. If it still doesn't work, click back into the mesh and confirm the correct selection mode. Blender has different selection types for vertices, edges, and faces, so depending on what you are trying to edit, you may need to switch between them using the buttons at the top of the viewport. Another common issue is thinking the object is selected just because it is outlined in orange in object mode. That outline means the object is selected, but it does not mean the edges or faces inside it are selected. Once you enter edit mode, you need to select the actual geometry. So remember this simple rule. Object mode selects the object, edit mode selects the mesh. If the error continues, deselect everything, go back into edit mode, press A again, and then try the operation once more. That usually clears up the problem immediately. So the key fixes are, make sure you are in edit mode, make sure that edges or faces are actually selected, and make sure the Bisect tool is being used on editable geometry. That's it. Once you follow those steps, the selected edges or faces required error should disappear, and you'll be able to continue working in Blender without frustration. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more Blender fixes, shortcuts, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.